In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Canvas global in Divi Builder 2026. Step by step. We're starting inside Divi Builder. Once you're on the Builder screen, direct your attention to the top left-hand side of the interface. This is where you'll typically find key controls and navigation options, and it's also the area you'll use to begin locating the canvas you want to work with. From there, look for the canvas that you want to make global. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct one, especially if your layout includes multiple canvases or sections that look similar. Choosing the right canvas now will help you avoid having to go back and repeat the process later. When you found the correct canvas, click on the canvas itself. This selects it so you can access its settings. In Divi Builder, selecting the right element first is important because the available options depend on what you currently have highlighted. Next, click on the gear icon. This opens the settings panel for that specific canvas. The gear icon is where you'll usually find customization options and control settings, so if you ever need to adjust behavior or design settings, this is a good place to check. Once the settings panel is open, look for the option labeled Make Global. This setting allows the canvas to be turned into a global item, which means changes made to it can be reflected wherever that global version is used. That can be very helpful if you want consistency across multiple parts of a site and don't want to manually update the same element over and over. After you find that option, toggle on Make Global. This is the key action in the process. As soon as it's enabled, you're telling Divi that this canvas should now function as a global element rather than a standard one. Then click on Save. This confirms the change and applies the global setting to that canvas. Always make sure you save after adjusting settings in Divi Builder, otherwise your changes may not be kept. You can also do the same on a new canvas. So if you're creating something from scratch and already know you want it to be reused elsewhere, you can repeat this exact process on that new canvas as well. That's a useful habit if you're building a consistent design system and want to keep shared elements easy to manage. And that's it. Once you know where to find the canvas settings and how to enable the global option, the process is very quick and straightforward inside Divi Builder.